Hey everybody, it's Ryan. I'm going to give you an overview of this heating pad slash back massager. Now this is a portable heating pad back massager, or it can be plugged in. And when I say portable, it's because it comes with a rechargeable battery. It also comes with a 6-foot extension to plug it into, so based on kind of where you want to sit. But it is a heating pad. Now you might be wondering, well, how hot does it get, Ryan? How hot does it get? Well, it's going to fluctuate between 113 degrees Fahrenheit on the low end up to about 149 degrees on the hot end, and there's 3 settings. There's also 3 settings for the old massage, either a slow pulse, long vibrate, or sort of a continuous. And it looks like this. The total width on this, or I guess, yeah, width, would be about 48 inches, so you can kind of wrap your mind around how much you need to wrap the old bate. Now you could do this around your legs or whatever it is, but it's really meant for the old back. Now, how do you put it on? So to put it on, you put it around your waist. Looks like this. And then you have Velcro here. And this is soft on this side, so you pull this over. You pull it over like that, okay? There's your controls. And then you have right here some additional I guess if you want to tighten it up, go around this way. And then you have this here, pull it, tighten it all the way up and pull it around this way. Now this is not normally hanging out. I just did this from an example standpoint. But you have a nice little pocket here. Here is your rechargeable battery that comes with it. You're going to take this piece off because this piece is going to be used for connecting to this piece, which goes to the outlet. So if you don't want to be mobile, you can do that. This situation, we are going to give the example of the old battery. Take that, you're going to tuck it in there so it's out of the way completely. All right, so now you're good to go. Again, you can make this as tight as you want. Then all you got to do is come over here and long press. And then you're on, you got a color there, blue, green. So there's your 3 different colors. Now, on the green setting, which is closer to the 113 degree mark, you can get about 7 to 8 hours out of a full charge. And you'll know you got a full charge because there is a LED indicator on the charging port. So 7 to 8 hours just on the old heat. That's a pretty good bit of time. Then you can long press and turn on. So now it's in vibrating mode. So it's vibrating, stop, vibrating, stop. Okay, so and I can long press, turns it off. The heating element goes all the way around. So it's all the way around is the heating element. And there's 2, you can kind of feel them in there, but there's 2, I guess, contraptions that do the vibration. Now, full disclosure, this company did reach out to me and said, Ryan, can you do one of your detailed reviews on our heating back pad with massager? Who am I to say no? But as you know me, I'm just going to keep it real. It doesn't affect this review in any way whatsoever. Now, an up close look at the quality of this. This has like this like a netting thing in here. I'm not really sure. So there's like a pocket here. I don't know why. There's nothing in there that comes out. This is how it's made. Maybe you can put something extra in there. But this sort of a grippy, rubbery, tight material on the inside. I guess that's so once you put it on, it kind of holds in place. And then you can see here, you have this nice Velcro. I mean, the material on this is on point. I mean, this is soft. You could put it, over a shirt and put a jacket over it. The manufacturer said it's not something you would put directly against the skin for whatever reason. That's just what they said. But on top of your clothes, I mean, you could feel the heat coming through. So if you're looking for something that gives heat anywhere from 113 up to about 149 degrees, with some adjustments in there, with massage as well, and you want to be portable or plug in, this just might be the heating vibrating pad for you. Hope that helps. We'll talk to you soon.